again. We have another special unboxing video. Not sure what this is, or if it's Amazon or if it's a normal unboxing. We got a black box or something, I don't know. But hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check them out. The link will be down below on this item. And of course, you can always see what other goodies they have to offer just by clicking the link. And don't forget, hit this follow button or the subscribe button and the thumbs up. Alright, let's see what this is. Did a good job protecting it. Here we go. What is this? No idea. Alright. Still a mystery. Let's see. Here we go. Memory for... Oh, okay. This is good. Here we go. Bada boom. Bada bing. We have here memory foam pillow. Perfect for all sleeping positions. Ooh. ARRONTOP. Neck support area. Soft facial area. Shoulder fixation. Dang. See, I sleep on my side. Definitely more. I tried doing sleeping on my back. I can't do it. I don't know how people could do it. ARRONTOP. Do not place pillow foam under the sun. Okay. Alright, let's take a look. So definitely check these guys out. Like I said, if it's their website link, I'll leave that link down below. But if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. So either or, just check it out in the description. Take a look. See how this feels. I like pillows. Can never have enough pillows. And of course, you can always have an extra one for your, in case someone comes over, or for yourself, or your partner, whoever it is. So you gotta be careful when you cut this. You don't want to cut the pillowcase. Because it's gonna poof out. They got their initials right there. Okay. Oh yeah. This part you want to be careful. Just grab a little pinch, like so. You can hear the air coming out. It's already deflating. Fast reaction. So we'll give it a few seconds. It's gonna be all nice. Here we go. This would be a nice travel pillow. Take it in the car with you or in the airplane. Nice little travel size. Or like I said, it could be your permanent one. Order a couple of them. Christmas is coming up, guys, so stay ahead of the curve. ARRONTOP. Really nice. Oh yeah. See, it's already starting to form. It's pillow shape. You can have some good pillow fights. This would definitely hurt, but there's no rules in pillow fighting. See, there's where your neck goes. So, I'm definitely going to be testing this out tonight. I think it's washable. You could, zipper right here. And you can take that and throw it in the wash. So that's cool. Take a look deeper into the material. Really nice. Now look at that. It's already poofed out. I don't think it's going to get any poofer. Maybe a little bit more, but this is a nice one. I've done a lot of pillows so far, so take my word on this one, guys. You'll definitely enjoy it. Get a good night rest or a nap. Take this with you in your office, college dorm, camping. Oh yeah, this is super. I like this. I'll put definitely a pillowcase on it, slap this on the bed, and then hopefully get some good sleep tonight. Alright, YouTubers, I think that's good enough for this pillow. Memory foam pillow. ARRONTOP. Right there. And now it's definitely to where it needs to be. As you can see, it'll take a few minutes to get it right out of the box into a pillowcase and off to his sleep land. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night and take it easy out there. Get some rest. Check them out. Click that link. Order a couple of them. Take it easy.